Don't do this at home. Daddy is a trained professional with all of the proper safety measures and equipment.
Seriously?
It's burning it. It's fun.
So since we haven't documented any of this, why don't you you tell people what we're doing?
We're trying to make an electric tricycle, I guess. So we've taken a back tire from my old bike, okay, which I have absolutely demolished. Now, all that's left.
A few moments later.
We're gonna need two bikes attached to one thing to make like half a bike, because it's gonna only have 3 wheels, and then it's gonna be a Franken bike, so it's gonna be electric.
How do you steer it? And what's it gonna turn? Because that's an old big wheel. Okay.
We're using all old parts and shaping them to our needs. Now to weld up our FrankenWheel lower control or mounting adapter.
Can I look at it now?
Sure.
Weld is poop. I didn't know I was running out of wire, and that's why it fed strangely.
Because I'm putting a leg on metal bars.
Okay, well, you need to explain these things. I want to make sure that it's not the position that's uncomfortable, because this is going to be riding this for a while,
So
right?
much more to come.